having this. So this is loads and pocket full of money. So who wants pocket full of money? Type me on the chat box. Come on, who wants pocket full of money? Or other pockets full of money? Okay, superb. Next. So I'm here to tell you the 6 steps to grow your business. Okay, 6 steps to grow your business, or 6 steps to more business. Next. So, is there anyone here who has joined BNI because they do not have friends? So, I can see no, right? So, what are we here for? What are we here for? Can anyone type on the chat box? Yes, we are here for business. Next.
Business.
We are here to make more money. That is the end result. Why we are here. Okay, next. So if you are not getting the referrals you would like or want to get more business, then open your ears and listen up. Okay, next. So the first step to get more business is your members should know you. Okay, that is the first step. Your members should know you, who you are. And how do you get to know your fellow members? Anyone on the chat box? How do you get to know your fellow members?
By doing one-to-one.
Okay. So the answer I'm looking for is by interaction or by talking to them, right? Of course, one-to-one is a great platform, but how you interact, that is how you get to know the member. So the first step is to know your members. Okay, it's something like KYC. So this is KYM, know your member. Okay. Second, once you know your member, second point is you should like that. You should like the member, or member should like you. Okay, so if you take it on yourself, your members should like you. Okay, so how do they like you? You should have a positive attitude and you should turn up every week. No one likes a person who always cribs or who is always negative. Okay, everyone likes a positive person. Try and being positive with all your interactions with any fellow member. That is how you will get people to like you, right? Third, trust. Your members should trust you, and you have to think how you need to develop that trust with all the members. Okay, and if you feel that members do not know you well as yet, go back to step 1. Okay, so keep focusing on the members who do not trust you, make them know you, make them like you, and then make them trust you. This is a reiterative cycle which you must follow with each and every member. That is how you are going to generate more referrals for yourself. Okay, fourth, what you do. People must know what you do. And how do they find out what you do? Is by doing one-to-ones, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, weekly presentations, feature presentations, JMVs. There are ample of opportunities on how you need to educate your fellow members on what you do specifically. Okay. Next, what you want. So you need to understand specifically what you want. The members should know what you are looking for, and that is how they are going to give you business. Okay, so what you want must be very specific, must be etched in the members mind. That is how you will become the first recall in their mind. Last, what to say. you need to tell each and every member or educate all the members on what they need to say to the third party to take your call. Okay, so if someone is passing me a referral, that member should know what to tell the other customer so that they receive my call. And in the end of all of those lines should be, shall I ask him to give you a call? Okay, so that must be the closing statement. So are we clear with the 6 steps? Can anyone write clear on the chat box for those who feel that these 6 steps are clear to them? So it's very important. Please remember, first, let your members know you, let them like you, let them trust you, let them know what you do specifically, let them know what do you want, and lastly, what they must tell the customer to pick up your call. Okay, next. And I am sure once you do these 6 steps, you will have pocketfuls and handfuls and bagfuls of money so that everyone in your family has their hands like this. Thank you very much. Over to the president.